Welcome back to our channel. We're at Weston Supermare. It's very noisy. I'm inside Poundland, and let's see what we can get from here. Because I've been doing my box for Philippines. I'm going to send a box for Philippines, and I might be able to get something from here to put in the box. This one is cute. Cute. Let's get one. There's so many cute things in here for £1. Many food eh? Toblerone. Get one. So, I'll find different shops. Yes, I'm walking and it's raining here. Because Jacob, I covered Jacob up. Where are we going? Let's find a shop. It's raining, man. Being okay today, probably because it's a school day. Daddy will be phoning me. Oh, okay. Let's go to somewhere. Go to Hello. We have so many cute things here. Jacob. Lydia got one. I think one na dyan. Basta na dyan. Nakusog na si Jen. So we're going back to Sovereign Center. I'm going to wait for Daddy and Cecilia there. Kaya nagbuwag manggudnig way. Yeah.
Few moments later.
Sophia, say hi.
You could sell it and then buy.
Hello everyone. We're going home. It's time check. It's 3:55 in the afternoon. And we're home. We're back home, home, home again with Kiatan nga Sophia. Take your jumper off. It's hot. I'm gonna change also because it's hot inside, man. It was very cold outside, but not in here because we have the heating on. We came from, where did we go today? Quick. In the mall, yeah, we went to Weston Supermare.
In the mall.
Kalimuot lang
And
yun.
then I went to Kevin.
Kevin is what?
Kevin.
It's your friend.
No. From Kevin.
Sophia, get off Jacob lang guys. You're too heavy.
Closer! Closer!
So, inanira ni sila diri, no? Pamanggod sila klase kay Sophia and Jacob goes to school every Tuesdays and Thursdays. But then, it's Friday today, so we just went shopping and we went to walk in Weston Supermare. Nag-window shopping rami
Old.
Jacob and we bought small things. Hoy! Say goodbye. So that was our day today, guys. See you again in our next video. Bye bye. Sophia is hurt. Bye bye.